Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the brushes, affordable brushes, which I purchased from Amazon. So it is not just a one day, like I've used this, so I've used for many days and I've just tested it and I've washed it, like everything I've done. So I'm here to just give you the review, so to watch how it performs. See, I've just applied this entire face of makeup using those brushes. Like I haven't used any other brushes except for eyebrows. So apart from that, every brushes, all the makeup is done using those brushes. So to know more, so let's start the video. It is a set of 5 face brushes along with 5 eye brushes, eye makeup brushes. So, and the retail price of this is rupees 239 rupees, and actually it is mentioned as 500 rupees. After discount it is 239 rupees. One of the main disadvantage of this brush set is that it is very small in size, so only this much. So this is the size of the brush, and for a beginner, as I said, it is not a matter of the size, because here you can use it. That's not an issue. But for me, like personally, I feel like the longer brushes is what I prefer generally, but still I use this often, so there is no point. And one more main advantage, I will say, that it doesn't get you a more of shedding, and there is a slight shedding only. So just for rupees 239 for 10 brushes, which is approximately 24 rupees per brush. So you're going to pay just 24 rupees per brush, and you cannot expect much, right? So it is a minimum shedding is only there, so that's not an issue. So that's one more advantage I would say. They told for 239 rupees you cannot expect more, and the quality is quite good. Like I don't say, it's a decent quality also, and the bristles are also so fine and very soft, and it doesn't poke your face. And it's a synthetic brush, of course, and this is pink and metallic color is the packaging. So this comes in there is no much with the packaging. It comes in a plastic cover with just with the price, that's it. So there is no much of packaging. In today's video, you're going to see the full face of makeup using these brushes. So I'm going to use these brushes to create my entire makeup. It is just to show you, like you can just invest in this kind of brushes if you're a beginner, and you can very well create your own makeup. Face brushes, as I mentioned, there are 5 face brushes, and each one you can use it for different purposes, like right from color corrector till the blush. You can use this set very well. So I'll just mention that. So in the process of demonstration, I'll just show you how it works. So let's start with the base. Now I've already prepped my face, so I'm just going to start with the foundation. Foundation, I'm going to use this Color Stay foundation from Revlon. Foundation, I'm going to use this brush. It is a flat top, like it's a dual, it feels like a dual-ended brush. It's a foundation brush basically, so I'm going to use this for my foundation today. So now my foundation part is okay. Just ignore the dark circles or something like that, because like that's different. Like I'm just talking about the brush here, so not about the makeup. So it might go a little, like it will be different, so just please excuse that. Blend it out well, but you need to work a little more harder for this. But still, like I would say that if you want a foundation thing, it's better to use a sponge. You can invest in one good sponge, and you can just very well go with that instead of a brush, I would recommend. But apart from that, like for the price it is offered, it does its job very well. Going with the same Revlon's Color Stay concealer in medium, I guess. Yeah, it's in medium shade. Brush is this. It's something like a buffing brush. See, as you can see, it is a buffing brush. So you can use this also for the foundation. You can use this as well, but now, as of now, I'm going to use this for my concealer. I'm going to use this dense angle brush for setting my face. See, this you cannot set for the entire face, but still you can do it, but it takes time rather than going with the bigger brushes. But still you can use any puffs. For setting you can use any other puff also, which is readily available in all fancy stores. You can use that puff as well. So as of now, for under eye everything I'm going to set with this brush. For setting I'm going to use this matte magic powder from L'Oreal. I'm going to use this brush. So this is the angle. So as you can see, it is an angle brush, flat brush. So it is ideal for contouring. So I'm going to use this brush for contouring my face. So it helps to powder to deposit in this angle. So this, as it is an angular one, it is very easy, like it will fit this part very easily. So that is the reason why I've chosen this for my contouring. So as you can see, it has come out in this particular thing. I've applied my contouring. See, sometimes it may not come properly because the product itself it differs from product to product. But as of now, but you can very well invest in this. So it gives a good application as of now for the price which you are paying. I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to use the same brush as for like I've used for concealer, and I'm just going to apply this. For highlighter, I'm going to use Revlon's highlighter. I'm going to use this thick pointed brush. You can use this for color correcting also, like for color correcting also you can use this brush, but as of now I'm going to use this for my highlighting purpose. Like my face is done, like my base makeup and my face full of makeup is done. Now let's start with so all the 5 brushes has been demonstrated. Now let's start with the eye makeup. There are 5 brushes for eye makeup. The one downside of eye brushes are that they should have included one more like flat brush for application, but they haven't done. Everything is a blending brush, so that is the only downside I would say. And it's one pencil brush and two angular blending brushes and one flat brush and one blending brush. So let's start with the eye makeup. So now see, you can use it in a multiple way. So this angular brushes you can use it for contouring your nose. So this parts, the minute areas, you can use this brush for contouring your nose. And so I might not use all the brushes because one brush or 2 brushes is required for the crease blending and everything. So I'll try to make use of all the brushes if possible. Pinkish reddish nude matte color as my crease color. To use this brush to do that. Straight brush. Mix up the product very well. See, as you can see, the product has been picked up very well. And delivering also, you can see that it is delivered very well. The payoff is good. It has done its job very good. Dark color as my outer crease color. I'm going to use this angular brush. I think you can see this angular brush for just using it here in the crease. Next, I'm going to take this pencil brush. This is a pencil brush, and I'm going to use the darkest color, that is almost black color to further deepen my crease. So So this is the brush which is very ideal for placing the color in the crease. For cut crease and all, you can use this brush, as you can deepen the crease area. It fits in the crease very well. For the under eye area, see, under eye area also you can use this brush. For which I'm going to use my fingers, because like not even any brushes, even maybe a MAC brush also, but the shimmer shades works well with the fingers, so I'm just going with the fingers. I think this has come out well, so I'm just going to blend this two shade, this black and this with golden color. So change, I'm just going with this metallic magenta shade for blending it. So except this brush, I've used all the brushes, so even this performs the same way, so there is no much difference. So I'll just finish off my entire face of makeup and just come and give you the exact thing. So hope you'd have liked this video, and it is quite helpful. It might be a long video, but still, like, I just wanted to explain to you and give you a demonstration of that, so how it you must know how it performs. I hope the look has turned out very well, so using those brushes. So you can very well, I would highly recommend, like, you can very well use this brushes for your makeup. Like I said, if you're a beginner and if you don't want to invest more in brushes, you can very well go with this brushes and then just try it, and then you can invest in some other brushes as well. And so I hope you liked this. So if you did so, please give me a good fat thumbs up. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at Samyuktha Vinod, and follow my Facebook page Samyuktha Vinod YouTube for more such updates. Bye.